If you ask me what keeps me moving, it's hope. Hope is the quiet voice that whispers, "Try again tomorrow." It's the light that refuses to die, even when the night feels endless. Life is full of storms, but hope is the umbrella we hold on to, even if it's shaking in the wind. Hope doesn't erase the pain, but it makes the pain bearable. It doesn't guarantee success, but it gives us the courage to keep walking toward it. And maybe, just maybe, hope is all we need to survive, to believe that after every dark night, there will be a sunrise. That's why I hold on to it, no matter how heavy life